We all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. If you're looking for ways to improve your overall fitness health, you're in the right place today. Many people are guilty of wishing they could have a sculpted figure while they usually consume junk food and find themselves sitting in front of the television during their free time. We understand that people sometimes choose this option over putting in the time and effort to work out, especially after being worn out from their daily job. Even though getting in shape can be a time-consuming and long-term process, the effort put out to achieve physical fitness offers several long-term benefits for years to come. When it comes to health and nutrition, it's easy to become stalled out by all of the options. Even trained professionals can appear to hold opposing viewpoints, making it difficult to determine what you should be doing to improve your health as a start. Despite the disputes, several health suggestions have been proven to be effective by scientific evidence and past studies. We reviewed this past research to provide a simple guide to follow as we walk you through it. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 12 tips and hacks to improve your body. So, let's start. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the latest video updates. Let's get started with improving your overall fitness. Number 1. Massage the scalp. So, the first tip of today's video is to give yourself a quick head massage at least once a day. In addition to providing relief for sore muscles, self-massage will allow you to spend some quality time taking care of yourself and your body's needs. The benefits of this superb stress buster include increased attention and calmness, as well as increased vitality. Acos Castana moisturizing hand cream has a velvety texture and contains castana oil, which you may massage into the palm of your hand with your thumb once it has been applied. Number 2. Multivitamin supplements. The next one is to use multivitamin supplements. It's important to take a daily multivitamin tablet to ensure that you're obtaining sufficient amounts of nutrients, especially if you don't consume a range of veggies and fruits in your daily nutritional plan. Your immune system requires a variety of micronutrients, including vitamins A and B6, B12, C, vitamins D and E, and trace minerals such as zinc, iron, copper, selenium, and magnesium, among others, to operate properly. The effective functioning of your immune system necessitates the intake of vitamins A, B6, B12, C, and D, and E, as well as zinc, iron, copper, selenium, and magnesium, among other nutrients. This is a key concept to integrate into your daily routine, as these multivitamins and minerals protect your body against various health risks and common colds. Number 3. Reduce sitting time. What's next? Reducing your sitting time will improve your overall body health. Exercise will not fully protect you from the negative consequences of a sedentary way of life. Even those who engage in regular physical exercise may be more at risk for diabetes, heart disease, or strokes if they spend an excessive amount of time in front of a computer or the TV. To get away from your desk and get some fresh air and vitamin D, you may take a few short walks around the office or room a couple of times a day. Set your alarm on your computer or phone to buzz every 60 minutes and spend the next 5 minutes on your feet. The goal here is to just move for a few minutes before you go back to work. Number 4. Eat healthy. Eat good food and make healthy meal choices. We can't stress this one enough. Do this favor to yourself, and your body will thank you for years to come. If you consume meals that are high in sugar and calories, you'll gain weight and excess fat. Nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are examples of foods that are packed with vital benefits for your body and are also delicious. On top of that, maintaining a healthy weight does not mean giving up your favorite foods. It's completely okay to indulge in a few cheat meals throughout the week. It's all about moderation to maintain a healthy weight while meeting your fitness goals and improving your overall health. Number 5. Sleeping is key. The next one is to get enough sleep. It's impossible to overstate the importance of getting sufficient amounts of quality sleep. In addition to other effects, a lack of sleep can result in insulin resistance, disruption of hunger hormones, and a reduction in physical and mental performance. More specifically, poor sleep is one of the most significant individual risk factors for weight gain and obesity, accounting for 1/3 of all cases. People who lack sleep typically make poor meal choices that are centered around higher amounts of sugar, fat, and overall calories, which may result in undesirable weight gain in the long run. Be sure to make your room dark, cool, and schedule enough time in your daily plan to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Number 6. Drink water. Always try to stay hydrated to keep your body in good health. Hydration is critical, although frequently underestimated, an indicator of overall health. Maintaining proper hydration helps to ensure that your body is operating at peak performance. Drinking water is a great way to remain hydrated because it has no calories, sugar, or additives, and it's completely natural. Although there is no universally accepted amount of water that everyone should consume each day, the common target is to drink a gallon of water a day. Remember, don't forget to add fresh squeezed lemons to your water for a change in taste and added benefits to your body. Number 7. Avoid charred meats. Avoid heavily charred meats. Meat may be a nutrient-dense and health-promoting component of your diet. It has a significant amount of protein and is an excellent source of nutrients. When meat is charred or burned, however, complications might arise. This charring can result in the creation of hazardous chemicals, which may raise your chance of developing certain malignancies in the future. When you're cooking meat, avoid charring or burning it. Additionally, limit your intake of red and processed meats such as lunch meats and bacon, as they've been associated with an increased risk of general and colon cancer. Number 8. Vitamin D. So, the next one is to fulfill your body's need for vitamin D to improve your overall health. Most people do not get enough vitamin D, and the great majority of people are deficient. Although widespread vitamin D deficiency is not immediately dangerous, maintaining enough vitamin D levels can help to improve your health by increasing bone strength. If you don't spend a substantial amount of time in the sun each day, your vitamin D levels may be low. It never hurts to perform a blood panel quarterly to track your hormone levels and get your vitamin D levels evaluated so that you can correct any deficiencies with vitamin D supplements if necessary. Number 9. Exercise. Aerobic exercise, often known as cardio exercise, is often one of the most beneficial activities you can do for your mental and physical health. It's particularly helpful in reducing belly fat, which is a particularly hazardous sort of fat that accumulates around your organs over time. Reduced abdominal fat may result in significant benefits in your metabolic health. Aim for at least 30 to 40 minutes of moderate intensity activity at least 4 times per week, according to the Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans. This can be as much as a fast walk, jogging, running, swimming, and hiking. The goal here is to move and keep moving for the duration of the session. Number 10. How about coffee? There's a lot of back and forth on this one, but yes, coffee is on our list. This is because coffee is full of health benefits, if consumed in moderation and without adding a lot of cream or sugar. Past studies have shown coffee consumption reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's diseases, Parkinson's, and several other health issues. Coffee is already full of critically rich antioxidants that promote overall body health. We know some of you can drink coffee all day, but the most beneficial amount based on past research is 3 to 4 cups a day at the maximum amount consumed. You can still achieve a lot of benefits from just 1 cup a day as well. Number 11. Make time for friends. This one may sound confusing, but yes, for a healthier body, you need better social relationships. It's important to maintain strong social relationships with friends, family, and other loved ones who are important to you not only for your emotional well-being, but also for the sake of your physical health. According to a study, those who have close ties with their friends and family are healthier and live much longer lives than those who do not have such interactions. Be sure to remember it's not the quantity but the quality of your relationships. Be sure to surround yourself with only positive vibes. Number 12. Burning belly fat. Last but not least on our list today is to get rid of your excess belly fat. Inflammatory bowel disease and cardiovascular disease are both caused by excess abdominal fat, also known as visceral fat, which is a type of fat distribution that is particularly dangerous because it increases the risk of cardiometabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. As a consequence, your waist circumference and waist-to-hip ratio, rather than your weight alone, may be significantly more reliable markers of health. It is possible to lose belly fat through a combination of measures, including reduced consumption of refined carbohydrates, sugars, increased consumption of protein and fiber, and stress reduction. All of these measures can lower cortisol levels, which is a stress hormone that promotes abdominal fat deposition. A few simple changes may make a huge difference in your eating habits, as well as your general health and well-being. Although it's important to make these nutritional changes, it's not enough to just try to live a healthier lifestyle by modifying your food. The importance of physical activity, sleep, and social connections in a healthy lifestyle cannot be overstated. Simple changes will have a huge influence on your overall health and well-being when combined with the evidence-based tips and hacks covered today. That's all for today's video. Let us know your thoughts and if you enjoyed the video in the comments section below. Be sure to share feedback if you incorporate any or all of these suggestions into your daily routine. We'd love to hear about your results and how long it took for you to start noticing results in your appearance, your lifestyle, and your attitude. Be sure to like and share this video so you can help others in meeting their fitness goals too. Please remember we appreciate your comments, recommendations, and sharing your fitness experiences with us and the other followers. See you in the next video.